Hello, year 3. So, we are here. We are going to continue with our lessons on codes. Okay? So, on codes, we are learning how to catch the angry bird. To catch the pig. The angry bird is catching the pig. Alright, so in another video, I showed how to get into code. Now Miss Ada is going to explain lesson 1 to 4. And then I will have another video and I will show the level of the challenge. Yes, and then I will show the last level here at the end. Okay, so level 8 and then level 11. All right, so in this video lesson, level 1 and level 4, I'm going to show you. So in this lesson 4, we start with a video that you can watch or you can continue. And here we have instructions that help us do our coding. So you can they even read for you. It has also this one. Yeah. There are two ways that you can listen to it. One, just straight from here. Or you can do for a reading book. I think I like this one better. So here it tells us that I'm using 3 blocks out of 3. Because when I click the button run, this is going to happen. So when I click the block run, it's going to move forward. The angry bird is going to move forward and then we're going to move forward again. So let's see if it happens. So go forward 1 and another step, it goes forward again. So it worked. I'm not going to do level 3. You can do it by yourself. I'm going to go to level 4. In level 4, we have 5 blocks out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These gray blocks are blocks that you cannot throw in the bin. I try to put them in the bin, they come back to my working area because the program wants me to use these. I might need more, but I have to use these 4, at least these 4. And I have here my hands. Okay, sorry, I have to start over. Yeah, so see, when we start, we have 6 blocks out of 5. I can only use 5, so there is an extra block. And probably the extra block is this blue one, because remember I said the gray ones I must use. So let's go step by step and see. So forward. Look, if it goes forward again, it's going to bump its head here on the wall. So we don't want it to bump its head. So we're going to put it in the bin. And let's see. Whoops, I need to reset. Yeah, so I need to reset. And again, if you want the hint, you can click here. Okay. Oh. Oh. So it shows us what to do. Oh, that's very clever. Yeah. So it's very important to use the instructions because they really help you. So let's go forward. Let's turn left. Let's go forward 1, forward 2, and there you go. And I continue, okay? I think with the explanations I gave so far, you can keep going. And then I'm going to see you again in level 8, okay? In another video.